Most people want to start poultry farming, but the biggest question they ask is, how much money will I spend on feed? Today I'll show you the exact cost of feeding 100 chickens from day 1 up to 2 months using real calculations, not guesswork. Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers, and if you are very new here, my name is Esther, and thank you once again for stopping here. You are in the right place and the right channel where we talk more on poultry farming. Kindly subscribe, like, and also your comment will be highly appreciated. Watch till the end of this video and please don't skip the ads so that you can help this channel to grow. Also, I would like to ask you kindly to join my membership to be part of this family. And the last one is to thank all of you for 8,000 plus subscribers. I don't take this for granted. Welcome all of you. Now let us discuss the topic for today. Let me first introduce my birds. As I always say, I started with 2 chickens, a cock and a hen, then to 50 chickens, and now these are my over 100 chickens. And today I want to break down every bag of feed they eat from day 1 to 8 weeks. This video is very important if you are planning to start poultry farming in 2026. Now, like feeding 100 chicks is not a joke. You need to prepare yourself well. In poultry farming, feeding is done in stages. From day 1 to 2 months, we use 2 types of feed. The first one is chick mash from day 1 to 4 weeks. The second type of feed is grower mash from week 5 to week 8. Now let me explain each stage clearly. Now, like chick mash is from day 1 to 4 weeks. From day 1 up to 4 weeks, chicks eat chick mash, and one chick eats approximately 12 to 15 grams the first week. Let us work with the lowest. If you are using quality feed, but your feed is not quality, you can give 15 grams per day in the first week. Now 12 grams per day and you have 100 chicks. You multiply 12 grams by 100 chicks, and that is 1200 grams, and it is equivalent to 1.2 kg, and that is kilograms per day. And if you want to get the amount of feed that you're going to give in a week, so you're going to multiply 1.2 kilograms times 7. So you'll get that you'll get 8.4 kilograms that they will consume in a week. Now in the second week, they will consume 15 to 20 grams per day per bird. So 100 chicks is 15 grams times 100 chicks, that is 1500 grams. So if you divide by 1000 so that you get in kilograms, you will find that they will consume 1.5 kilograms per day. So in a week, it is 1.5 kilograms times 7, and you'll get that per week they will consume 10.5 kilograms. Now let us proceed to week 3. In the third week, they will consume 20 to 35 grams per bird per day. So 20 grams times 100 chicks, you'll get that per day they will consume 2,000 grams, and that is equivalent to 2 kilograms per day. So in a week, they will consume 14 kilograms per week. Now the fourth week, they will consume 35 to 50 grams per day per bird. So 35 grams times 100, that is 3,500 grams, and that is equivalent to 3.5 kilograms per day. So in a week, it is 3.5 kilograms times 7 days, and that is 24.5 kilograms. So in a month, they will consume 57.4 to 60 kilograms in a month. And a bag of 50 kgs is around 4,000 Kenyan shillings. So for a kilo of chick mash is around 80 shillings, Kenyan shillings. So for 60 kilograms, you multiply by 80 shillings. So from day 1 to 1 month, your 100 chicks will consume around 4,800 Kenyan shillings. That is equivalent to 1 bag and 10 kilograms. Or let's say you buy 2 bags to be on the safe side. So you need to have at least 8,000 shillings, but this price is not the actual price. It will depend with your area and the type of feed you are using. So that is the amount of feed you should use from day 1 to 4 weeks. But if you notice your chicks are not getting enough, you can work with the higher grams as I had stated earlier. Now let us go to growers match, and that is from 5 to 8 weeks. After 4 weeks, the birds move to grower match. From 4 to 6 weeks, one bird eats about 35 to 50 grams per day. So the fourth week is 35 grams times 100 birds, that is 3.5 kilograms. So in a week, they will consume 24.5 kilograms. The fifth week, they will still consume 24.5 kilograms. Also the sixth week, the 100 birds will consume 24.5 kilograms. So the amount of feed your birds will consume from 4th week to 6th week will be 73.5 kilograms, and that is 1.5 bags. So let us say 2 bags. You buy 2 bags, and each bag is around 34 Kenyan shillings, that 400 Kenyan shillings. So you will buy 2 bags at around 6,800 Kenyan shillings to be on the safe side. So this amount is from 4 to 6 weeks, and my calculations I am using the lower side of the grams, so the price can also increase or reduce if maybe you are making your own feed or you are doing free range. Now from week 7 to 8, a bird can consume 55 to 60 grams per day per bird. So let us work with 55 grams, and that is 55 grams times 100, that is 5,500 grams. So per day, it is they will consume 5.5 kilograms, and per week, they will consume 5.5 kilograms times 7, that is 38.5 kilograms in a week. So the 8th week is also 38.5 kilograms. So from week 7 and 8, they will consume 77 kilograms, and that is 2 bags to be on the safe side. So one bag is around 3,400 Kenyan shillings. So they will consume 2 bags, and that is 6,800 Kenyan shillings. Now let us calculate the amount of feed from day 1 to 8 weeks. So from day 1 to 4 weeks, we have seen that they are going to consume 2 bags at around 8,000 Kenyan shillings. Now from week 4 to 6, we have seen that 100 chicks can consume 2 bags, and each bag is around that 400 Kenyan shillings. So that is 6,800 shillings. And from week 7 to 8, we have seen that they are going to consume 77 kilograms, and that is equivalent to almost 2 bags. So they are going to consume 6,800 Kenyan shillings. So the total feed cost will be around 23,000 Kenyan shillings. So you're supposed to have at least 23,000 Kenyan shillings to 25,000 Kenyan shillings. If you divide 23,000 Kenyan shillings divide by 100 chicks, you will find that in 2 months, a bird will consume 230 Kenyan shillings. This number is very important when calculating profit. Now let us calculate the profit from 100 chicks. Maybe you want to sell them at the age of 2 months, and maybe you are selling them at 400 Kenyan shillings per bird. So you'll find that in 100 chicks, you'll get 40,000 Kenyan shillings. You need to subtract 23,000 Kenyan shillings. That is the money they have used from day 1 to 8 weeks, so that you can get your profit. And the profit will be 17,000 Kenyan shillings. So from these 17,000 Kenyan shillings, you can subtract the cost of maybe vaccines, drugs, brooding expenses, drinker, feeders. So you can count your profit from 17,000 Kenyan shillings. But if already you have a house, drinkers and feeders, you will get at least a profit. And if you didn't have any mortality, because mortality will lower your profit, so take care of your birds. Now let us see how to reduce feed cost, and this is by the use of proper feeders to avoid wastage. Feed during cool hours. Always provide clean water. Deworm your birds on time. And if possible, buy feed in bulk, or you can make your own feed if you have the raw materials available. Feed wastage is money wastage. My final advice is, before starting a poultry farm, always calculate feed cost first, because feed takes over 70% of your total expenses. If you don't plan feed properly, you will struggle. If you want to earn a good profit, you should take care of your birds, especially brooding period. You should supply them with enough warmth and enough feed and clean water. Also vaccinate your birds. Also observe biosecurity, and always check sick birds and isolate them. Have a good house with good ventilation, fresh air, and good lighting. And lastly, observe cleanliness always. This is part 1 of this video. Part 2 will come shortly. If this video helped you understand the real cost of feeding 100 chicks, like the video, subscribe and comment your local feed prices below. I make real poultry farming videos from experience, not theory. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.